and encouragement. To Ma'am Evangeline and Ma'am Jameline Cara for the accommodation. I hope I'm always welcome in your home and in your heart. To Ma'am Sunette, Ma'am Jal, and Zoe, thank you for transforming a tiri-tiri to a beautiful lady during the passing. To my sister Mirna Rapanan, thank you for being my guardian. For Class President Raymar and his family, for opening their house and venue for the rehearsal of my talent album. To Nikki, Ate Leslie J, Ate Mads, Ma'am Shartay Rivera, and Ma'am Joan Padala, for your time and efforts in sharing your ideas with me. Not to forget our dear College of Nursing, headed by our mother, Ma'am De Leon. Thank you for the support you've given to us. To Ma'am Cheryl Arcida, Kuya Leo, and the NSO officers, thank you for the patience. To my friends and supporters, thank you, because you were the one of the sources of my strength. That is why I had the courage to face the challenges. To my family and Michael Anthony Gachola, for supporting me throughout the battle. I love you all. And lastly, to Ma'am Lorena Ponce, thank you for the motivation, encouragement, time, and effort you have offered. You are a friend, a mentor, and a mother to me. Thank you, Ma'am. Mere words are not enough to express my heartfelt gratitude to you all. And now, 1 year has passed. I have to turn over this crown to my successor, the Miss Nightingale of 2009. Always remember to believe in your capacity. Do your best, don't forget to pray, and don't forget to thank those who gave their time and effort. Because without them, you wouldn't be standing where you are now. And most importantly, keep your feet firmly planted on the ground. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. An unexpected victory in just
sorry,
one night.
Delete. Lang sa amin yan ni Jen. Miss ni Mami.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Nightingale 2008, Miss Geraldine Rapanan. Now we would like to award a certificate of appreciation to the members of the Board of Judges. Allow me to read the citation. Republic of the Philippines, University of Northern Philippines, Tamag, Vigan City, College of Nursing, Nursing Student Organization. Certificate of appreciation is here.